Hello! We got the Paletteful Packs today! My very first Paletteful Packs box. I see some swooshing. Definitely a lot of dead space in there. Opening. Ooh, paper. I see that we have a menu here. Paletteful Packs, tips and prompts. We got Posca paint markers. Four
Posca markers. I've always wanted Posca paint markers.
Posca pastel pencil, Copic opaque white pigment, Robert Simmons sapphire brush, and Crescent ultra black textured board 3-pack 8x10.
Wow.
I'm really excited about this, guys. I gotta say. Ooh. Okay, so we have the Posca aqua green. I like aqua green.
All right, let's put them
here. Then we have some green, some dark green, I suppose. We have a yellow Posca marker, just yellow, no fancy name for yellow. And then we have a pink.
It's got dust from all the paper.
So this pink, just pink, no fancy names, just pink. And then we have some light green Uni Posca pastels. Very interesting. I've never seen this. I've never actually used pastels. My best friend, who's an art teacher, she uses pastels. And this is bright yellow. It says bright yellow, but it looks like orange to me. It looks like orange. And then we have a Posca sticker. Really cute. And then we have a Copic opaque white pigment. I like this a lot. And then we have this Robert Simmons sapphire brush. Let's open it up. And we have this. Aw, come on. I'm gonna have to make up my brush because it's all destroyed. Alright, it's a watercolor brush. I'm just gonna have to cut those rogue hairs. And then we have, it says 3 8x10 boards. Textured black boards. Truly the blackest blackboard on the market. Perfect for all pastel, chalk, colored pencils, and acrylic paint applications. Easy portability, perfect for plein air use, pH neutral. They don't smell. Cool. Alright, let's see what we're gonna create with these babies.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
Hello, it's voiceover time. So this is the third art subscription box that I've tried in the past month, and so far it's the best one in my opinion. I've tried Art Snacks and Sketchbox, and if you want to take a look at those, I'll leave a link in the cards above when you're done with this video, of course. And yes, they were both exciting and a novelty, but now that there's something to compare them to, there's competition. Now, I know that they vary from month to month, and some months are better than others, but first impressions do matter, and I'll eventually choose one or two to stick with. This box is the Premier. It's the biggest of the two sizes that they offer, and the price is $35.95, and I get free shipping, and we all like that. The materials listed on the menu page all add up to a value of $58.15, so that's $58.15. So that's a really good value for the price. $35.95 and the value is $58.15. So if you've been here for a while, you know that I prefer starting with a black canvas. So the blackboards that they sent made me feel in my own element just a little bit. I've been wanting to try these Posca acrylic markers for detail and finer work, and I should have probably watched a tutorial on how to properly use them. Let me know if I did it right, if you're familiar with them. They kind of blend together, but you have to work quickly as the acrylic liquid dries pretty fast. As for the pastel crayons, they feel waxy, kind of like a crayon, not a chalk pastel. And I use them for sketching my design on the paper, but I could have probably drawn and colored with them too. I actually started by drawing a different artwork, and I wasn't quite sure about it. It was nice, but not as juicy as I like it. And then as I looked on the back of the menu, I noticed there was actually a list of prompts to draw. 4 in fact: a song, a cactus or a succulent, a pixel art, or a flower. So I picked up the second board and I had a bit of fun drawing some cacti under a setting sun while listening to Terry Pratchett's The Color of Magic. It's really nice to make art and listen to audiobooks or some lecture, but this time around I kind of failed at both. I couldn't very well follow the book as it kind of needed my undivided attention. If you're familiar to Terry Pratchett, you know what I mean. And when I showed the drawing to my husband, he said it was a bit... Well, at least that's what I heard. He didn't actually say that. He said that I could have done better. I guess I could take it as a compliment that I'm capable of more and have done nicer art in the past. And I do appreciate his feedback most of the time. He does challenge me to do better and try scary things. And in fact, I attribute a lot of my growth to him, even if it hurts at first. But anyway, I decided to start again, and this time include all of the prompts because I like hybridizing my art whenever possible. I just want to say that the color combo of this pack is fantastic. It's got this psychedelic vibe no matter how you draw it together. The vibrancy of the colors is extremely pleasing. I had no problem coiffing my brush to look perfect and new by snipping off those bent hairs. Apparently these brushes are handmade and their ferrules are precision engineered and 22 karat gold plated. They also have a lifetime guarantee. I don't know what to make of this. Are they expecting this brush to last me a lifetime? Because that's very unlikely. So, as I said in the beginning, the Paletteful Packs are definitely in the final race for my long-lasting subscription, for the great value and quality delivered compared to Art Snacks and Sketchbox. Sketchbox is still great, don't get me wrong, and the only thing that I would recommend to Paletteful is for them to have a referral program, which they don't yet. But that's maybe because of the affordability of their boxes. In the meantime, I'm still waiting for my last March box to arrive, and it's coming all the way from Britain, so it might be a few more days. I do look forward to hearing from you, and kindly leave me a comment telling me what you think of the Paletteful Packs and if you would give them a try. They also have a smaller box, the Petite, if you're thinking of a smaller amount of supplies. But either way, stay tuned to next week. Hopefully I'll have received my other mystery art box and I'll have time to make a video. I dropped a link in the description below to the Paletteful Packs website so that if you want to give them a try, it's easy for you to find them. And if you're enjoying this video, then gently caress that like button. And if you want to see more art creations and unboxings and reviews and other art related videos, consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. If you have any comments, questions, advice, or life troubles, then you can leave them somewhere else. Just kidding. I'm here if you need to talk. Cheerio!